Data science to me is...
Data science to me is...
Data science to me is...
Who?
The hard question. It's somewhat of an umbrella term.
You have statistics, you have math, and you have this domain of application.
In some ways a subset of statistics, in some ways a subset of computer science, something really living in the intersection, having grown out of both.
It definitely includes those things, and those are like tools in your tool belt, but it's not what data science is.
This day and age, we have a lot more data to work with.
It's a way to take complex data and then use code or computational tools to make sense of that data, answer questions with that data.
Data science is making sense all of the massive amounts of data that we have in the world today and being able to make decisions.
Using data to make decisions. And that could be through telling a story, so visualization's a big part of it.
There's a much more algorithm-driven, tool-driven, decision-driven science.
It's collaborative, it's interactive, it's applied, and it's really fun.
You know, when we look at computer science, it's about building better software. And when we look at data science, it's about building a better understanding of the world.
We are on the way to really find the identity of data science on its own.
And being able to improve the world. That's what data science is going to do.